Are you suffering from ulcer? Is it chest ulcer or stomach ulcer? Is it hooking you at the back? Ulcer is disturbing you. You have tried so many other remedies. It's not working for you. Why not give this one a trial? Why not give this one a trial? Give this one a trial. If it works for you, it is not bad if you come to this comment section and tell me to send account number so that you will appreciate me, because I know it's going to work. The power of nature is too much. How do you do it? You already know this. This is Abamuda. Oda Opwe. We call it a leaf of life. That is miracle leaf. This is groundnut. Natural things that God have created for us to use and take care of ourselves, both our body and our ailments. God has done that, everything for us. How do you do it? Come with me. You see it? Just pack this groundnut this way. No. I've watched this scene already. I've watched it wearing it. Do it in the morning before breakfast and the night before bed. I swear you must testify. That doesn't have troubled you. You must testify. Share this video. Share this video. Let others see it. And follow this page for more updates like this. Do it. They are all natural.